Hi, my name is Norrashikin Binti Zaidi. My supervisor is Madam Zarina Binti Zainal, and my student ID is 2022827618. Today I will be presenting my final year project, which titled Geolocation-Based Event Discovery and Management Web Application. We will proceed to the objective of this project. So this project is to develop a centralized web-based event discovery management system, enable organizer to manage their listing independently, and lastly to test the functionality of the developed system. We will proceed to the objective of this project. So this project is to develop a centralized web-based event discovery management system, enable organizer to manage their listing independently, and lastly to test the functionality of the developed system. Next, we will go through the scope of this project. For user, they can browse event on the homepage. They can also use radius-based filter, which range from 1 kilometer to 50 kilometer, but the default radius will be set to 10 kilometer on default. They also can use date filter and view event detail on the event card or on map. For organizer, they can register their account, log in to the website using their registered account and they can access to the organizer dashboard, which allow them to create event, edit event, and delete event. For this project, I implemented the MongoDB database for information storing. I also implemented Express.js, React.js, Node.js, which will form a MERN stack, MERN stack, JWT authentication for security, and Google Maps API. Next, we will proceed to the system design. This is the use case diagram, which consists of two entities, user and organizer. Both organizer and user can view list event. They can also view event on map. They can use filter event, which date filter and radius filter. Both can get direction to the event venue from the event list, and event pop up on the map. They also can register their account. So all this feature is done in the homepage and register page, but organizer have their own access to the organizer dashboard. Organizer can do login account. They can also create their event online. They can edit their listing and they can delete their listing also. Next is the database design. For organizer, the database will store the organizer ID, the organizer name, organizer phone number, organizer email, password, and what time it created and updated at. So next is the event database. The database will store the event ID also, the title, description, date, location and categories. For every event, will link to the organizer information like organizer ID, created at and updated at what time. This will avoid from another organizer from accessing to the information of another organizer. For the event ID, it will make the event unique, where this one will be used when we want to edit the event or delete the event. If we do testing on Postman, the ID of the event will be used to in when we want to update or delete the event. This is the table of the testing result that I did for on the website. Based on this table, it shows that all the testing is passed. All the tests the test I did is registration test, login test, create event test, edit event test, and event filter test. The event filter is it the website has two filtering option, which the radius filter, which is the main attraction of this website, and the date filtering. This project successfully developed a geolocation-based event discovery and management web application that enables users to find the nearby events and allows organizers to manage event information independently. The integration of geolocation features improve event accessibility, while the management function enhance efficiency for organizers.